Now in this section, arithmetic mean step deviation method. Last class, direct method, assumed mean method, both are completed. Now in this section, arithmetic mean step deviation method. How to solve this model of questions. First, as usual, you find out xi values. Ci, fi values are given. Now you take by the xi values. Xi values, how to find out? These both add and by 2. 200 plus 250. 450 by 2. 225. This one 275. 325. 375. 425. As usual, last direct method and assumed mean method model, you find out the xi values. After you find out, here values are big values, so you change into the small values. How to change there means ui equal to xi minus a by h. Last assumed method, h not come. In the step deviation method, just one new letter will come, h. Here h what? A means I will explain. In this one, if you consider by any one value, if you take by the a, for my convenience, I am taking a value 225. If you take, h means the difference between the two consecutive values, 275, 225. Difference 50. 275 minus 225. Then prepare a table. One table manner you prepare. How to find out? Next value fi ui. fi ui. Here what is the ui value? How to find out? There means 225 xi minus a by h. A means 225. Xi value also 225. 225 minus 225. 0. 0 by 50. Nothing but a 0. Next, 275 minus 225. How much will come? 275 minus 225. 50 by h. 50 by 50 means 1. 325 minus 225. 100. 100 by 50. 2. Next, as usual, 3 will come. 4 will come. That's why I recommended first value only consider as by the a. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, easily you are finding values. Now fi ui. How to find out fi ui? 12 into 0. Here fi, here ui. 12 zeros. 0, 14 1 jar. 14, 8 2 jar. 16, 6 3 jar. 18, 10 4 jar. 40. Now you write the formula. X bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui by capital N into h. X bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui by capital N into h. Here a means 225 ready is there. H means 50. N means total sigma fi. How much is this value? 50. Now, sigma fi ui. Add this value. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 5, 6, 7, 8. 88. Now here you substitute. A means 225 plus sigma fi ui. 88 by n value 50 into h value also 50. Put bracket always. That equal to 50 50 cancel. Add it. 8 plus 5 13. 8 plus 2 10 no, plus 1 313. Here same problem I explained. before also. Once you observe that method also, you get by the same answer. Once again, briefly I will explain step deviation method. CA, FI values are giving. Table wise you write. After XI values you find out. XI values find out. After UI equal to XI minus A by H you write. Here A means any one value if you take it. Not mandatory for the first value. But my convenience purpose I am taking the first value A. H value means difference of any two consecutive XI values. That is 50. 225 minus 225 by 50. That means 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutively you are getting. After multiply Fi Ui terms continuously. Fi values you find out. That means sigma Fi you find out. Fi Ui also you find out. Next you take by the formula. In that formula you substitute the values. You get the answer will be 313. Once you observe the problem. Now I go with the missing frequency value in the arithmetic mean problem. Now see the problem. The following distribution shows the daily packet allowance of children of a locality. The mean packet allowance is 18 rupees. Find the missing frequency. F, of course, question given in this model. Just directly go with the solution model. Just prepare the table. Daily packet allowance, if you take it as a CA, number of children, Fi, here you write. Here missing frequency, here is the F. That value find out with the help of this 18 rupees. How to find out there means, as usual method you go it. First you find out XI values, first you find out. XI values, first you find out. How to find out XI values? 11 plus 13, 24. 24 by 2, 12. This value 14. Here, how much will come? 16. Here, 18. Then this value will be 20. Here, 22. Next one will be 24. If you apply either direct method or assuming method or step deviation method, you get a same answer. But convenience is direct method is the convenience. That's why next column Fi Xi. Now 12 7 jar 84, 14 6 jar 84, 16 9 jar 144. 18 into 13 multiply side. 18 3 jar 54. 18 1 jar 18 plus 5 23. That means 234. F into 20. 20 F as usual you write. Next 20 to 5 jar 110. 24 4 jar how much? 96. Then as usual formula you write x bar equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. That equal to here other than F remaining values add it. How much will get? 7 plus 6 13, 22, 22 plus 13 5, 35, 35 5 40, 40 plus 4 44 plus F 44 plus F. At the same time if you add by Fi Xi values side you write better 84 84 144 234 110 96. Add it 448 12 16 22. Next 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 26 plus 9, 35, 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 752. So here 752 the total. Now here is substitute. How to substitute? This value will be 752 plus 20f. As usual you write. Now here is substitute. X bar already given. How much given? 18. Sigma fi xi value plus 20f here, right? By sigma fi 44 plus f. 44 plus f. Now take cross multiplication now. 44 into 18. 18 4 jar 72. 18 4 jar 72 plus 7. 792 plus 18f equal to 752 plus 20f. Now 792, that 752 take to this side, equal to 20f minus 18f. Then 20f minus 18f value will be 2f equal to 40. Now f equal to 40 by 2, that equal to 20. What is the f? Missing frequency. Therefore, missing frequency equal to 20. This is the problem. Now once again I am explaining. CA, FI values are giving some missing frequency is there. With the help of the 18 given mean, to find out f value, as usual method you do it. Particularly here is the most probably confused will get. Most confused will get, as it is 20 into f, 20f you write, 20 plus f don't write. Without this value, remaining all values add it here and here. After substitute, you get a solution. What is the finally? You get a missing frequency value will be 20. It is the problem. Very, very important model question.